Hello students, this is an EVS book of class 2 and the name of the book is Tree of Life. Today we are going to do chapter number 1 and the name of the chapter is about myself. Now look at the pictures. What you have noticed? Here two pictures are given. In first picture the friends were talking about their height, whereas in another picture the boy and the girl were talking about their family members. The boy said that he is a bigger boy and he has a younger sister. Before we start the chapter, let us learn about myself. That means, what do you understand by myself? So students, myself means to give an introduction to others, or you are telling something about yourself to others, like telling your name, age, place, etc. Now let's take an example, like I am introducing myself. That means I am telling something about myself. So my name is Bimla Devi Oli. I live in West Bengal. I am 24 years old. I am a teacher at Divine Public School. These are the few lines about myself. Similarly, you have to introduce yourself as I have introduced myself. So student, most important thing is that whenever we start to give our introduction, first we have to start with our name. Now next, write about yourself. Here some blank spaces are given as an example. As I told you before that the first sentence of an introduction should begin with your name. Now look at here in number 1. My name is Dash. Here in this blank space you have to write your own name, but use pencil while you are writing in your book. Now number 2. My birthday is on Dash. So here birthday means the day you have born. So you have to write your birthday date and month in the given blank space. Now next, I live with my Dash. So students, some of them live with their parents, some of them live with their family, uncles, aunts, etc. So with whom you are living or staying, write it in the blank space. Now another one is, my mother's name is Dash and my father's name is Dash. So here in this blank spaces you have to write your mother's name and father's name. Now move on to next, that is growing up. We grow older with every birthday. As we grow older, our body changes. We become bigger, taller, and we start doing many things we could not do when we were younger. Our old clothes and shoes become small for us. So this is known as growing up. So students, here in this paragraph, what we have learned that our birthday comes once in a year. So in every birthday, we grow older and older. When we grow older, our body structure will change and we become taller, bigger, etc. When we become taller, the clothes, shoes we used to wear, it becomes small for us. As we grow older, we learn new things. We can do many tasks on our own. So this is all known as growing up. Now move on to next. Look at these tasks and take the ones that you can do. So look at here in number 1. Pictures is given that I can read a book. So if you can read a book, then put a tick in the given box. If you can't, then leave it blank. Similarly, number 1, number 2 and number 3. If you can do this task, then put a tick in the given box. If you can't, then leave it blank, but use pencils while writing at book. Now move on to next paragraph. We are special. Look around your class. Are all children the same? No, they are not. Every child looks different from each other. Each one likes different things. Each one is special. So according to the paragraph, all the children are not same. Each child looks different from each other. So each one of them is special because likes and dislikes will not match with others' children. Okay, now move on to next. A hobby is an activity that we like to do in our free time. Different people have different hobbies. The things that we like become our favorite things. We feel differently too. Some things makes us happy and some things makes us sad. So here in this paragraph, what we have learned that hobby is an activity, okay, that we like to do in our free time, like playing games, cooking food, listening music, etc. The things we like the most, it become our favorite things and it makes us happy. But the things we don't like it makes us sad. Okay? Now next. Here some blank spaces are given. So which color, which storybook and which game you like the most, fill it in the blanks or write it down in the given blanks. Okay? Now we have come to an end of this chapter. Now let's go through the exercise portion of this chapter. Here some exercises are given. All the exercises you have to do by yourself. Okay? Okay. Exercises like fill in the blanks, tick the correct answers and name 2 fruits and 2 vegetables you love to eat. You have to do it in your textbook. Okay? But question and answers you have to do or you have to write it in your exercise copy. But one thing is that use interleave copy for EVS. Interleave means one side blank and other side is 4 lines, as I am showing it to you. But don't use blank side to write, but use 4 lines side of the copy. Thank you.